Dr. Tuominen completed his medical training at the University of Minnesota Medical School, Minneapolis, followed by an internship and residency at Duluth Family Practice Residency in Duluth, Minnesota. He chose the area of family practice for several reasons.
I love interacting with people and now patients, and the breadth of care that family practice allows really attracted me to the field. Not only can I take care of children, but also take care of their parents or their grandparents to allow that continuity of care, which I think is so important in the well-rounded health of a patient.
He believes in working with patients to achieve the best medical outcomes, a strategy he views as the key to providing effective, compassionate care.
My philosophy of care is based on lifelong learning, realizing that every patient has something to teach, and so I get very fulfilled from that. But I think by active listening, we're really listening to the patient, that you can not only, besides just treating and prescribing, you can provide care by just listening to the patient. I think that's the majority of the care I do, is sort of the art of medicine. And I think that that's something that comes with years of experience, but also with focusing on the patient's goals, developing that relationship, that trust. By doing those things, we not only help the patient out, but we help their whole family out. We help them reach or attain a level of care that oftentimes is overlooked, rather than just by prescribing medicines.
He sees Mission Heritage Medical Group as a good fit for him.
In looking for a place to practice in California, the Mission Heritage Medical Group, I was really impressed by their commitment to the principles of the foundation, focusing on quality and service. And to me, that really spoke volumes about who I'd be working for.
He feels there are several factors to consider when choosing a physician.
There's a few things that I think are very important about choosing a physician. One is you have to have a provider that you're very comfortable with. Two, I think finding a primary care physician is very important because they not only help you navigate the specialty fields, but also help you interpret the tests and things that may be done outside of a primary care practice or focus. And I think having someone that you not only trust, but that you respect, be able to help you through that you don't really feel alone, and that there's always someone that you can come back to.
Dr. Tuominen believes that practicing good medicine is much more than the clinical aspects of healthcare.
I think the thing that I would like people to remember the most is that I listened. That they had someone that truly cared about them when we're sitting across from each other, that when they think about their doctor or about me, that they remember, my physician cared about me as I would, and my health. And if I can get that across, I think that's such a big part of the healing process, is to have someone who listens and who cares, then I've reached my goal.